Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm going to be talking to you over the next few minutes about key things you can do to make 2024 a far better year than 2023. And we're going to be taking this one point at a time, all right? Now, first of all, today you could be wondering, what's that singular thing I can do to make 2024 a year in which I'm highly productive and attaining all my goals, at least most of the goals, because sometimes we tend to have unrealistic goals. And the point I want to share with you right now is going to really help you to break out of the cycle of not achieving your goals. So maybe you are somewhere busy, wherever you are right now, just give your full attention to what I have to say. I have to take a pen and paper so you can write down some things that I have to say. All right, let's dive right in. What's the singular thing you can do to make the coming year, or maybe listen to this in 2024, to make 2024 a productive year, hyper productive year for you? Well, you could think of many things. Some people are thinking of maybe automation, using artificial intelligence. Well, whatever it is you're thinking of, it all starts with just one thing. All right. If you want 2024 or whatever year in which you're watching this video to be a year in which you are highly productive, you have to start with something very simple. A lot of people tend to talk about focus. They say, well, if you focus on your goals and the things you want to achieve, your likelihood of being highly productive is, very high. But before you focus, there's something very key that many tend to jump, and this is where a lot of people end up having struggles in these areas. What's that simple thing that no matter where you are, doesn't matter if you're earning in hundreds of thousands, doesn't matter if you're just starting out, what's that thing you can do to instantly make your life better, increase your productivity? It's a very simple answer. And usually the simple things are where the results lie. All you need to do to get 2024 working for you the way you do is to learn how to cut out distractions. I know that sounds pretty simple, right? As in, somebody just comes along and says, well, if you reduce the number of distractions in your life, your productivity will radically increase. And you're like, well, yes, that's super easy, that's super simple. And that's the problem. You see, because it's so seemingly insignificant, we tend to ignore the power in ignoring certain things. Before you can focus, you have to learn to snub or ignore a lot of things that are set in your path to keep you from actually achieving what you want to achieve. Think about that again. Just think about it. Think about it, because this is super powerful. No matter how simple it sounds, there is power in being able to ignore distractions. You've heard this said, well, you can't attain success by chasing every dog down the road, or getting upset at every how do I put it now? At every distraction or at any inconvenience that comes your way. Focus is predetermined by the ability to ignore distractions. What's keeping you from achieving your goals? Is it spending too much time on social media, having all those notifications on? Is it having friends that you always answer, you always at their beck and call? To become a highly productive person in 2024, and in whatever year you're watching this, you have to take cutting off distractions hyper seriously. You have to make it a big goal, a big aim. People who are successful tend to be obsessed. Now, people who are obsessed tend to ignore a lot of things. You can't give in to every emotion. You can't answer every call. You can't watch all the TV shows on TV. You have to decide that this year, I'm going to cut off everything that is not moving me in the direction of my goals. Let me repeat that. You're going to decide to cut off everything that's not moving you in the direction of your goals. And that includes people, sadly. I'm not saying burn bridges or quarrel with people, but there are people who come along and they're essentially just extra luggage that we don't need, extra baggage. What they're doing is slowing you down. They're the ones who always remind you of the things you can't do. When you share your big dreams with them, they water it down, they douse your fire, they don't inspire. Or, always coming around and complaining, dumping on you. You're not a garbage truck. Now, by the time these things happen, you lose focus. By the time you have someone who's always telling you all the bad things going on, and sometimes it's even an app on your phone. You're laughing at that, right? Sometimes an app on your phone, and all the news, the feedback you're getting is all the terrible things going on in the world, and nobody shares with you the progress that people are making. Now, think about it. In this coming year, watch who you follow on social media. Cut off the wrong people, and follow people that put fire, you understand? Put fuel in your fire. That's what I'm talking about. If you can cut off distractions, on a daily basis, I guarantee you're already ahead of 90% of the population. Think about that. People are just distracted all over the place. But if you can keep your focus, but to get to focus, you have to cut off distractions. If you can cut off your distractions, then your focus is guaranteed. Let me repeat that. If you can cut off your distractions, your focus is guaranteed. So, cut off distractions, reduce the noise, make progress. See you in the next video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Comments down below. Like, subscribe. Thank you.